topic of grammar. It is a part of speech actually. Verb. What? Verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. Say it together.
V-E-R-B. Verb.
Yes. It is a part of speech. Verb. Who can tell me what is verb? Do you all know what is verb?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bhavya, stand up and tell me what is verb.
Verbs are doing words.
Verbs are
Doing words.
okay. Verbs are doing words. Means
Means what we do that are doing words.
what we do that are doing words. Very good. So what he said, verbs are doing words. But whatever we do, whatever we enact, that is verb. Okay. Who can explain these two words, doing words? Who can tell me? Yes, Prashansha, do you know? Tell me what are doing words?
Doing words are action words.
Very good. Doing words are action words. Doing words are action words. Means whatever we do, whatever we enact, that are doing words, that are action words, and action words are wow. Say all together. Wow. Okay. Let me explain this. Whom should I call? Anushka, come. Do an action. Very good. What is she doing?
Jumping.
What is she doing?
Jumping.
Jumping. So jumping is an
Action word.
jumping is an
Action word.
action word. Very good, Anushka. Jumping is an action word. Means jumping is a
Verb.
verb. Very good. Tia, come. Can you do an action? Yes. Okay. Whatever you want to do, can do. What is she doing?
Laughing.
Laughing. She is laughing. Oh my God, she is laughing very, very nicely, na? Okay, so laughing is an
Action word.
laughing is an action word. So again, laughing is the verb. Very good, Diya. Unnati, come. Do an action. Okay, what is she doing?
Crying.
Again, crying is an crying is an action word. So crying is a verb. Very good, Unnati. Ayush, come. Can you do an action? Okay, what you will do? Very good. What is he doing? Do it. Clapping. So again, clapping is an action. So this action word is also a verb. Go to your seat. Bhumi, do you want to do an action? Okay. What you will do? Okay. What is she doing? Walking. Very good. So walking is an action word. So again, walking is also a verb. Very good, Bhumi. So in this way, we came to know about doing words. That what we do. Now let me tell you different forms of verbs. Okay? What we will do? Say with me. First form of verb is present form of verb. What it is? Present form of verb. And second form of verb is past form of verb. And third is past participle. Say loudly.
Past
And past participle third form is also
Clean.
clean. Okay. Diya, tell me a word. Walk.
Run.
Run. Okay. Do the action of run in this way. Okay. So, first form of verb is run. Tell me the past form of run. Yes, Diya.
Run.
Ran. Very good. And third form will be
Run.
run. Now who can tell me a one more word? Yes, Bhumi. Very good. What a nice action she did. Sleep. Second form of sleep. Yes. Slept. Very good. Second form. Who is talking? Kavyansh. Second form of sleep will be slept. And third will also be slept. In this way, we came to know about the three forms of verbs. First form is present form, second form is past form, and third is past participle. Okay, is there any doubt in your mind?
No, ma'am.
You can ask me right now if you have any problem. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will proceed with next form of verb, that is ing.